Hi, Scott Dolan here at MarineMax of Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a new Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. So, wider beam boat for a 19 foot, so you do get a lot of room up here in the bow. This one does have the Fusion stereo in it throughout. Fusion head unit, 5-inch Simrad in the dash. That's going to be chart plotter, GPS, downscan sonar. Nice in-floor ski locker in this one as well. This was also ordered with snap-in, snap-out SeaDek throughout the entire boat. Captain seat does have a flip-up bolster on it, which is nice. Allows you to sit up nice and tall if you want to see up over the windshield, or you can sit down low back behind the windshield. This one does have the convertible companion seat, so if you want to use that seat to face forward, you can, but then there's also a secondary cushion underneath of it. So if you want to use it as a two-person bench seat, you can. This one does have a aerated live well, so if you want to do any fishing from the boat, you've got a live well. One of the nice things about the outboard, that the top cap on these boats are really the same whether it's a stern drive or outboard. So by removing a 4.5 liter engine and going to an outboard version, you just get a ton of storage back here in the back of the boat, which is done really, really nicely. Still have a walk-through transom, and you still end up with a nice swim pad back on the back of the boat. This one has a 115 Merc on it, so plenty of horsepower to pull the kids on the tube skis or anything like that you want to do. So really, really nice new boat. This also has a new gray interior in it, which is going to be really popular for us. So if you got any questions on this or any of the other boats we have online, please pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop in the showroom and see us. We look forward to talking to you soon.